Hi, I'm Josh. Let's make a fiery Naga Tharkari diced steak and chicken tikka cooked with fresh garlic, spices, chilies and Naga pickle. On a medium heat, add the oil and chilli flakes and stir to infuse their flavours. Add in the onion and allow to soften for a few minutes. Add the beef along with the garlic and fry for a couple of minutes. Add the garlic and ginger paste and sliced green chilies. Give it a good mix and fry for a minute. Now add the watered down tomato puree, stir and cook for another minute. Time for the spice mix powder, coriander, cumin and Tandoori Masala. Stir through and allow to gently fry until the oil starts to separate. Add in the sliced chicken tikka along with a heated up base. Stir through and allow to reduce by half. After a couple of minutes, stir in the sugar, Naga pickle according to taste, a good squeeze of lemon juice, garam masala and some fresh chopped coriander. Continue to reduce until the sauce is the consistency you require and serve sprinkled with the remaining coriander, fresh chilies and chili seeds. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.